In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Discord with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have your ClickUp workspace talking to your Discord server so your team can see updates where they already collaborate. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct ClickUp workspace in your browser and that you have permission in Discord to add integrations to the server you want to use. Starting ClickUp on the overview of your team space, this is your high-level hub and a good place to begin so you're in the right workspace context. If you manage multiple workspaces, confirm the one shown at the top of the navigation is the one you want to connect. Next, open your workspace menu and head into settings. You can think of this as the control room for everything workspace-wide, roles, preferences, and most importantly for today, integrations. If you don't see settings, you may need higher permissions in ClickUp. In that case, ask a workspace admin to proceed or to grant you access. Inside settings, look for the App Center. This is where ClickUp keeps all available apps and native integrations. It's the fastest route to add, configure, or manage tools you want connected to your workspace. In the App Center, use the search bar and type Discord. Spelling matters, but the search is pretty forgiving. If nothing shows up, double check your internet connection and that you're in the App Center for the workspace, not a personal space. When the Discord integration appears, select it to open its details page. Here you'll find a brief overview of what the integration can do, like sending task notifications to channels or enabling quick actions from Discord. It's a good idea to skim this to confirm it aligns with what you need. Choose Manage, then select Add to Discord. This will open a new window to authorize the connection. Pick the correct Discord server from the drop-down. Only servers where you have permission to add apps will appear. Review the requested permissions carefully and proceed. If your organization prefers tighter control, grant only what's necessary for notifications and commands you plan to use. If prompted, select the channel where updates should post so messages land in the right place for your team. Once authorized, you'll be returned to ClickUp with the integration connected. From the same Manage area, you can fine-tune options later to match your workflows. If the authorization window doesn't open, allow pop-ups for ClickUp in your browser. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now integrated with Discord, helping your team stay aligned without switching tabs.